Crawler-typed DTH drilling rig. Gasoline model. Equipped with an eco-certified gasoline engine. For stable power output, meeting environmental standards. Hydraulic motor power head added for high torque and fast drilling speed. Adopts mechanical gearbox and rubber crawler chassis, featuring fast-moving speed and no road damage. Centralized operation console, with each lever corresponding to a single action. Direct drilling rig manufacturer, from Jining, China. We offer a variety of drilling and piling rig solutions. For more details, inquiries welcome.